Tired of your website being buried on page 5? You're not alone. Ranking in 2025 is harder than ever. But what if I told you there's a proven, step-by-step blueprint that actually works with Google's new AI-powered system? Stick around, because in this video, I'm breaking down the exact 8 steps you need to follow to rank your website this year. Let's get your site to the top. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and I've been an SEO specialist for over X years, helping brands and businesses scale their organic traffic. I've seen Google change from simple keywords to the complex AI-driven system it is today, and I'm here to give you the 2025 playbook. If you're new here, we break down complex digital marketing strategies into actionable steps you can use right away. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss our next video. Step 1 is understanding the new rules of the game. Google's 2025 algorithm is dominated by AI, specifically its Search Generative Experience or SGE. It's no longer just about backlinks and keywords. The core priorities are now understanding user intent. What does the searcher truly want? And EEAT, demonstrating your experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. If your content doesn't satisfy these, it won't rank, period. Step 2. Modern keyword research. Stop guessing. Use Google's own tools. Start with a seed keyword and look at autocomplete and people also ask. This reveals real user questions. Focus on long-tail conversational keywords. With voice search growing, people are asking full questions. And think in topic clusters, not isolated keywords. This helps you build authority on a subject, which Google's AI loves. Step 3 is creating content that's built to rank. Your content must be comprehensive, a full answer to the query. It must be skimmable, use headers, bullet points, and bold text. And it must be multimedia rich. Aim for featured snippets by answering questions directly. Embedding relevant video and audio can drastically increase your dwell time, a key ranking signal. Diversify your content format. Step 4. On-page SEO. This is the foundation. Optimize your title tags and meta descriptions to get clicks. Structure your content with clear H1, H2, and H3 headers. Use internal linking to help Google and users discover more of your content. Implement schema markup. This is code that helps Google understand your content better, often leading to rich results. And finally, nail your core web vitals. A fast, mobile-friendly site is non-negotiable in 2025. Step 5. Off-page SEO. It's not about the quantity of backlinks anymore. It's about relevance and trust. One link from a highly authoritative site in your niche is worth 100 low-quality links. Focus on digital PR, getting featured in industry publications. Engage in communities like Reddit, Quora, and LinkedIn to build genuine authority. And remember, even unlinked brand mentions are now a ranking factor. Build your brand, and the links will follow. Step 6 is specifically for Google's SGE. You need to optimize to be one of the sources featured in the AI snapshot. How? First, create clear FAQ sections that directly answer common questions. Second, build out strong author profiles to showcase EEAT. Google's AI wants to cite experts. Third, update your old content regularly. SGE prefers fresh, accurate information. This is the new frontier of SEO. Step 7. Technical SEO. This is the behind-the-scenes work. Ensure your site is crawlable. Use Google Search Console to find and fix errors. All sites must be on HTTPS for security. Find and fix broken links, both internal and external. And as mentioned, speed optimization is critical. Use a CDN, optimize images, and clean up your code. A technically sound site makes everything else easier. Finally, step 8, track everything. You can't improve what you don't measure. Use Google Search Console to see your rankings, clicks, and impressions for specific keywords. Use Google Analytics 4 to track organic traffic, user behavior, and conversions. Monitor your core web vitals scores over time. This data tells you what's working and what needs adjustment. So let's do a quick recap. to rank in 2025. Understand the AI-driven rules, research conversational keywords, create amazing content, optimize on-page elements, build quality links, prepare for SGE, keep your site technically healthy, and always track your data. It's a process, but it works. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and let me know in the comments which step you're going to tackle first. For the tools to implement these strategies, check out our video on the best SEO tools for 2025 right here, point to the side. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.